Welcome! Here is an installation guide to easily bend Virgo PVC at 90-degree angles. First, take measurements of the surface. Next, use a router to make the necessary cuts on the back of the laminate as per the measurements. Now, apply Pro-Bond adhesive on the PVC laminate and the furniture surface. Then, apply the laminate on the surface and bend it easily to cover the entire surface. Apply pressure to ensure the laminate adheres to the surface properly. Lastly, pull off the protective film after 24 hours from the laminate surface to complete the process. And there you go! The finished product looks impeccable with the bendable Virgo PVC laminate. We are one of the largest manufacturer of laminates in Asia Pacific.